Welcome to Daily Flip 31. Hope your day has been well. I have been doing a lot of driving today. I had to drive and pick up a vehicle for a customer today. I was having issues with it, so that is one of the not so fun parts about having a car dealership as opposed to just flipping, is that you get people who have problems and they call you. So I'm here at the auction right now looking for a vehicle for a friend of mine's son, so that's where I'm at right now. Looking at a few. I have 8 or 9 I'm going to be checking out. He's looking to spend 10 or 11,000. So we're going to see if we can find him something. Otherwise, today we sold a vehicle. If you actually go to the, facebook.com/thecarflip, you may be watching this on the page. So if you just scroll down a little bit, you'll see where I sold a vehicle today. I actually did a quick live video while I was doing the paperwork, while the customer ran outside to add insurance. So did really well on that one. You can see the numbers on that video, but roughly I think I made around $2,500. I haven't done all the adding and subtracting to see where I came out, but my wife drove it for 6 months and I think we put 9,000 miles on it and we still came out, made $2,500, so that's a good day. Otherwise, we've got a lot to do tomorrow. I'm going on vacation next week, and what else? That's about it. If you haven't yet, definitely check out the podcast. I'm trying to think. If you'll go to thecarflip.com/show, you can see the podcast. There'll be a link to the iTunes version. There's a link to Stitcher, which you can use to listen on your Android device if you use that app. Pretty solid app. Otherwise, thanks so much for all the kind words. This wind is probably killing our sound right now, so I'm gonna jump off here in a second. But if you do check out the podcast, it'd be amazing if you had a chance to subscribe, subscribe. What is it? I'm losing it. It's been too long of a day. Subscribe, rate, and review. It really helps other people on the iTunes platform to find it. Apple would give it a little bit of priority over some other shows if they see that people are engaged in it. So you guys are awesome. If you have 2 seconds this afternoon, click through the app and subscribe, rate, and review. Be honest with those. And otherwise, I'm going to check out these cars, see if I can find one. I think this is actually one right here, a Ford Fusion, a 2015, which is nice and greenish because we have the pollen that has just started to fall. So I'm going to check these out, and otherwise I will see you guys tomorrow.